Just me, my knife, and nature, alone, for 12 weeks. Only one man makes it out alive, and I'm not betting on nature. First rule, you get cold, you get dead. I'm preparing for the eventuality of needing to stab two things at once. Don't get dead. Don't get cold or dead. Another rule you gotta remember is no knife, no life. The opposite is also true, no life, no knife, because I believe when you die, you lose all your possessions. Because I'm not Egyptian. A similar rule to that I have is no rights, no life. It has less to do with nature and surviving in it, but I think more to do with society. I know it can be hard at home to understand the level of cold I'm going through out here, so I made a graph to try and demonstrate. Here's the graph. Right here. This is how cold, that's how cold you're used to. Though that's how cold I have to deal with. Yeah! Oh! Nature madness is starting to set in. Every time I make an action now, I need to ask myself, is that something a rational person would do, or is it something a nature mad person would do? I can't feel any of my body parts anymore. But the worst part is, I can't feel my heart. All I can feel is hatred. Hatred for this goddamn snow. I thought about making a snowman, so I wouldn't be so lonely. But then I realized, I'm the snowman. I was the snowman all along.